Hey Nordanglia, my name is Fechi. I'm a PhD student in microbiology, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make secret messages with invisible ink. All you need is some paper, turmeric, rubbing alcohol, cotton swabs, and baking soda. We're going to start off with a small bowl, and you're going to add half a cup of water to that bowl. Then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to that half cup of water, and just mix it up until the baking soda dissolves fully in the water. That's your invisible ink. You're going to take your Q-tip, dip it in that ink, maybe roll it around a little bit, and you're going to write your secret message on the paper. So while that dries, we're going to make our revealing solution. And so for that, you're going to use your rubbing alcohol, and again, add half a cup to another bowl. And then you only need 1 teaspoon of your turmeric. And then mix it up until it starts to dissolve. So now that your paper is dry, you can take another Q-tip, you're going to dip it in the solution, and just basically paint over your secret message.
Whoa!
So we're done revealing our message. The way that this works is turmeric acts as a pH indicator. So it can be used to tell if a solution is acidic or if it's basic. Because it ran over this basic solution, which is our baking soda invisible ink, its color change makes it turn this sort of deeper red color. Today we used turmeric as our pH indicator, but if you change the variable with something like cinnamon or grape juice, you might get a different color change. So you should play around and see what other variables you might want to change. Have fun with your secret messages, Nordanglia.